Hey guys, Miss Ko here. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to make this cute little Among Us character, and when you open it up it becomes an imposter just like this. If you want to check it out, then go ahead and keep watching. Materials you need: blank paper, pencil eraser, black marker, and something to color with. I'll be using marker. First, we're going to go ahead and start off by making a hamburger fold with our paper. I'm going to try my best to line it up, but don't worry if it's not perfect. Go ahead and make a sharp crease just like this, and then we're going to go ahead and take our paper and do another fold where it opens up at the top, and we're going to go back down to that crease. And if I'm ever going too fast, guys, you know that you may pause the video. Once you are done with that, you can see that our fold out is starting to form, but we do need to make that last fold, and we're going to go ahead and do that by flipping it over and folding it backwards. Open that back up and flip it back over, and you can see that we have all of our folds here. Let's draw. For the drawing portion, I will be using marker, but I do suggest that you use pencil just in case you make any mistakes. To start off our drawing, we're going to go ahead and make a curved line going down our paper just like this. We're going to do that to one side, and we're going to do the same thing to the other side, making a curved line going down. It's going to kind of look like a parenthesis at the end. When we're done with that, we're going to make another curved line. I like to call this a smile line, and we're going to just do that at the center of our two lines. And it's not going to be touching because we're going to go ahead and make this our feet by making two lines going down. 1, 2, and then we're going to connect the two lines. When you guys are done with that, we're going to go ahead and move on to doing our backpack. We're going to be doing a little square by making a curved line and then going down and then connecting it to our body. We're going to go ahead and make the goggles next, and we're going to do that by making a frowny face first. Another line going down, you could just make this a vertical line. And then we're going to make another curved line. Please make sure that you guys don't go past the fold because we want our face to be above when we open it up. We're going to go ahead and make the little reflection in the goggles by making a Nike swoosh and a little bubble. For the top of our Among Us characters, you guys could do anything you want, but I think I'm going to go ahead and do some cute whipped cream and a cherry on top. Do this by making little puffs. I'm going to make sure everything's connected nicely, and when we open it back up, you can see that we're ready to move on to our mouth. So we're going to go ahead and make the mouth by connecting these lines that are going down. First, we're going to go ahead and do the body, connect that line by drawing a nice vertical line going down. The backpack, you're going to do the same exact thing. And then on the other side, you're going to go ahead and connect these lines as well. Next, we are going to do the mouth. Please make sure that you don't go past the two lines because when it's folded, we don't want to be able to see it. So make sure it's in between. We're going to start off by doing a smile line, and then we're going to go ahead and make a nice curved line just like this for the mouth. And you guys could do the mouth however you guys want. This is just how I'm choosing to do it. I'm going to go ahead and make some teeth by making some triangles. And I'm going to do the same thing at the bottom. Next, I'm going to make my character's tongue, and from what I saw online, it is a nice point. So I'm going to go ahead and make that by making a really, really skinny, narrow triangle. Connect it. And I'm going to have a little character drawn here, just like how we drew before. And I'm going to just do that by quickly doing my 2 little parentheses lines. My little smiley line, and the feet, my backpack, my goggles, and for the top of my hat, I think I want to go ahead and do a little party hat. Make sure not to go past that line once again. And we also need to make sure the goggles have those cracks. I'm just doing this by making zigzag lines. Now we are all done doing our Among Us character. And we're ready to move on to the background. I like to describe this as fire/lightning. It's kind of making just random lines that are curved and pointy and jagged. And we're going to do the same thing at the bottom right here. And please make sure don't go past those 2 lines once again. Remember, just making jagged, pointed, curved lines. And it's kind of mixed together. When you're done with that, we're going to go ahead and do the same thing on the inside. So we're just going to follow along the lines that we made. And now you can see that we have our cute little Among Us character, and when you open it up, it does become an imposter. If you want to add anything extra to your character or your background, now is the time to do so. Let's color. And here's our completed Among Us fold-out drawing. I hope you guys had fun and enjoyed this project. Thanks. Make sure to subscribe so you can see more fun videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.